From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Luke Snyder here for your Monday evening forecast. Taking a look live from Beaver Stadium, you can see we have some very overcast conditions right now. We have a little bit of precipitation actually forming along the camera lens. We've had that wintry system move through the area. The snow, the sleet, the freezing rain, all kinds of precipitation has been occurring recently. Currently, you can see we're sitting at 39 degrees with a feels like of 34, a little bit chillier than it's actually right now, and a visibility of 6 miles. So that wintry precipitation is going to be getting in the way of some visibility, so just make sure to stay safe, stay aware. Looking at temperatures and dew points, you can see State College is again sitting at 39 degrees with areas along the west coast sitting a little bit lower in the upper 30s, and then areas along the east coast actually a little bit higher in the mid to lower 40s. Philadelphia actually in the 49 right now. But then again, you can see for dew points, however, the dew points along the east coast are going to be a little bit lower, causing them to have a little bit drier air. And then dew points along the west coast, however, are a little bit higher and closer to the actual temperature. You can see Franklin, the dew point and temperature are actually the exact same right now, so they're going to be having a little bit more of a saturated air feel right now. Looking at a radar recap, you can see this large band of rain has moved through the Commonwealth with that snow and wintry precipitation occurring in the State College area just so recently. And if you take a wider look across the northeastern and eastern coast, you can see this huge rain system has been moving through the area with much of the snow sitting a little bit farther north in Michigan and over the Great Lakes. Looking at the precipitation types throughout the Commonwealth, you can see this snow is sitting farther north in the northeastern portion of the state around Scranton, and then as it slowly transitions into the rain in the more western and southern portions of the state, you can see that the snow and sleet and wintry mixed transitions are going to be occurring as well. Looking at future radar, you can see that State College is going to be experiencing for a much more of this mixed precipitation for a lot later into the night as well, and it's going to be overnight from Monday into tomorrow, that as temperatures drop, this wintry mixed precipitation is going to transition into a little bit more of a snow precipitation, a little bit more of a solid form. And then overnight, that's going to transition back into a little bit of a wintry mix, and then into showers overnight and into tomorrow morning, leaving Tuesday with a little bit of a wet start. You can see this large rain precipitation is going to be over much of the State College area. But into Tuesday afternoon, however, it is going to be a little bit more overcast skies. Again, you can see just some cloudy skies occurring for much of tomorrow. Taking a wider look at the system, you can see it's moving through the area, and there's this very large snow band at the very front of this storm. And it's going to be moving through, leaving us with those ugly mixed conditions through overnight. And then this model is showing a little bit more snow overnight, however, and then those showers into tomorrow morning as well, and then those overcast clouds occurring for Tuesday. And then into Wednesday, we have this little bit of a smaller system moving through. You can see just a little bit of snow and some mix and some rain, a little bit farther north of Pennsylvania, so not much of PA is going to be getting that accumulation, however. And then moving into Wednesday, you can see we have a little bit of a larger scattered shower system moving through, so more PA might experience that rain, however. And then into Thursday, again, Thursday is just some cloudy skies. And then taking a wider look at this model, you can see that we do have this large precipitation system moving in through Thursday overnight into Thursday morning, and we have this large rain band hitting through much of the center of the state. And that's going to move and pass through the area. And then this model is showing not nearly as much mix and precipitation, or I'm sorry, mix and snow rather, as the other models. So we have a large bit of rain through much of the Commonwealth, and then that snow and mix is going to be moving a little bit farther north, leaving us with just some scattered showers for much of the day. The European model, however, is showing the snow and mix to be a little bit farther south, causing it to be hitting much of the Commonwealth throughout the day. And you can see the snow is going to be hitting State College at around Friday morning. You can see it's going to be moving through the area and causing much snow and mix, and the mix is going to be occurring a little bit more into the afternoon and evening, and then leaving us with some rain showers overnight into Saturday, leaving Saturday with some dreary conditions, and then some overcast skies and some possible scattered flurries. Looking conditions for today, we can see we're going to be reaching a high of 40 with those wintry conditions continuing into much of the day, with some winds coming in from the southeast and some gusts upward of 20 miles per hour. For tonight, a low of 30 with that wintry mix continuing, transitioning more into rain, however, and then those stronger winds are going to be prevailing as well. Looking at tomorrow, you can see we're going to be having a high of 44 degrees with some cloudy skies and those AM showers lingering from today, with those winds calming down just a little bit. And then for your 7-day outlook, you can see that we have those warmer conditions occurring later in the week on Wednesday and Thursday with some clouds moving in. And then it's going to be Friday when temperatures drop that we're going to have that mixed precipitation moving through the area and some overcast skies for Saturday, with those clouds hopefully leaving us for Sunday for the beginning of the new week. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Luke Snyder. Have a great night.